So this is where my hood making has taken me. This is what I think is the best hood that I make. This accordion back blocked on this new hood block. Started hood making about 45 years ago. Made my first hood in, I believe it was 8th grade, and made a pattern from another hood that I managed to get, an Indian hood, and sold that hood for $2 to a friend who was also getting into falconry. And from there I just kept trying to make, outdo it and make something nicer and better. And at the time when I started, I didn't have access to birds. I was able to get birds, shortly thereafter. It was just a long process to get to this point in my life. I've been doing it a long time and gone through a lot of different transitions trying to get exactly what I wanted, which was a perfect fit of one of my hoods on a falcon. And they also fit goshawks and red tails and Cooper's hawks and pretty much everything else out there. I've made eagle hoods, I've flown eagles, golden eagles, and anyway, it's been a long, fun ride. And I think I've finally accomplished what I've been after all these years. You never know, something may change, but I think my hoods are where they need to be. I believe the fit of the falcon is absolutely number one. I think if they do fit well, then they will look well. Also, they'll look natural and accurate, and that's been my goal all along. I've been making hoods for about 45 years now. Throughout that time, I've made plenty of mistakes trying to figure out what would work best, what would fit best for falcons and hawks that I've flown. And now at this time in my life, I feel like I've got the hood that's the best fitting hood that I've been able to make. And I've learned a lot of different things over that time, what works and what doesn't work, and I just want to take this chance to share this information with you, and hopefully you can gain something from it. Hopefully, even if it's just something small from this video, you'll learn maybe to do something a different way that'll help your hood making, and I think everyone should know how to make their own hoods.